Hey everyone, tired of hearing the same old side hustle ideas? Well, today we're going beyond the usual DoorDash or freelancing gigs. I'm about to share with you some unique and creative ways to earn extra cash. These aren't just any side hustles, they're ones that you might not have heard of before, and they could be your ticket to a bigger, better bank account. So if you're ready for a fresh take on earning extra income, stay tuned, because some of these might surprise you. So number 1, renting out your pet. Got a friendly dog or a cuddly cat? Did you know there's a market out there for short-term pet rentals? Yep, you heard that right. Not everyone can commit to owning a pet full-time, but many people crave that companionship, even if it's just for a day or two. By renting out your pet for a few hours to someone who needs some furry therapy, you can help brighten their day and make some money on the side. It's a win-win. Just be sure your pet is comfortable with new people, and you could be looking at a side hustle that brings in joy and dollars. It's a perfect way to share the love of your pet with others and make a little extra cash. No leash required. Number 2, teaching niche skills online. Now, if you've got a unique skill that not everyone knows how to do, like drone operation, 3D printing, or home automation, you could turn that into a profitable online course. Sites like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare are always looking for new courses, especially ones that teach in-demand skills. Imagine teaching others how to pilot a drone or set up smart home devices right from the comfort of your living room. You can charge anywhere from $20 to $200 per student, depending on the complexity of the skill, and the best part, it's passive income once your course is set up. That's right. Spend a few weekends recording your lessons and watch the students roll in while you sleep, plus you get to share what you love doing. Number 3, flipping digital assets. Ever heard of flipping houses? Well, how about flipping digital assets like domain names or even NFTs? It's a high-reward side hustle, and if you're tech-savvy, this could be right up your alley. Think of it like this. You buy a catchy domain name for as little as $10, and if the right buyer comes along, you could sell it for $500, $1,000, or even more. The same goes for NFTs and virtual real estate in the metaverse. You don't need to be a tech genius, just someone who spots trends and opportunities, and the best part, you can start small and scale up as you learn the ropes. It's a thrilling world of digital gold, and there's room for everyone. Number 4, remote mystery shopping. Mystery shopping isn't just about visiting brick-and-mortar stores anymore. In today's digital world, remote mystery shopping is becoming more popular. You can get paid to evaluate customer service, website usability, and product quality, all from your laptop. It's as easy as signing up, completing a few tasks, and sharing your feedback. Plus, you get to influence how companies treat their customers while getting a paycheck for your time. So if you're detail-oriented and love giving feedback, this might just be the side hustle you've been looking for. And hey, it's always fun to play the undercover detective. Number 5, artisanal food products. Do you have a knack for making delicious treats? Whether it's hot sauces, jams, vegan cookies, or even home-fermented goods, turning your culinary talents into a small business could be a delicious side hustle. With local markets, farmers markets, and even online platforms like Etsy, you can start small, build up a loyal customer base, and scale from there. Plus, people are willing to pay a premium for quality, handmade products. Imagine seeing your signature hot sauce on people's tables all across the country. It's not just a side hustle. It's a way to share your passion and creativity with the world. Number 6, virtual travel guide services. Do you love travel and know some destinations inside and out? Why not become a virtual travel guide? Many people need help planning their dream vacations and are willing to pay for a customized experience. You can create personalized travel itineraries or even host virtual tours of your favorite places. With many people now exploring the world online before they travel, this could be a great way to turn your wanderlust into a profitable gig. Share your travel expertise, inspire others, and earn money, all while keeping the spirit of adventure alive. Number 7, building and selling niche blogs. If you love writing or have a passion for a specific topic, why not turn it into a niche blog? From quirky hobbies to lifestyle tips, or even hyper-specific interests like vintage car restoration or urban gardening, there's a niche for everything. And guess what? People are willing to pay top dollar for established blogs with a steady flow of readers. Starting a blog may take some effort, but the rewards can be worth it. Once you've built a blog with quality content and a dedicated readership, you can sell it for thousands of dollars on platforms like Flippa, and you don't need to be a tech genius to start. There are plenty of user-friendly platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to get you up and running in no time. Imagine turning your love for a hobby into a blog, building it up over a few months and then flipping it for a cool 5-figure payout. It's like planting a small seed that grows into a money-making tree. Number 8, online language tutoring for lesser-known languages. Are you bilingual or multilingual? While tutoring in popular languages like Spanish or French is common, there's a growing demand for less common languages like Mandarin, Russian, Arabic, or even sign language. And this demand is global, so you can teach students from anywhere in the world. Signing up as a tutor on websites like italki, Preply, or even through your own YouTube channel can be a great way to earn extra money. Plus, as more people realize the value of learning new languages for travel, business, or personal growth, the market is only getting bigger. It's not just about the money, it's about connecting with people, sharing culture, and making a difference in someone's life while building a steady income stream. And hey, it's a great way to make friends from around the world. Number 9, voice acting for indie creators. Ever been told you have a great voice? You could turn that into a side hustle by becoming a voice actor for indie creators. There's a booming demand for voiceover work, especially for audiobooks, podcasts, YouTube channels, and even indie video games, and the best part, you can do this right from the comfort of your home. You don't need a fancy studio setup to get started, just a decent microphone, some free recording software, and a quiet space to record. And with platforms like Fiverr, Voices, or even reaching out to indie creators directly, you could start booking gigs sooner than you think. Imagine lending your voice to a character in a game, or narrating an audiobook that thousands of people will listen to. It's a side hustle that allows you to be creative, have fun, and make money doing something truly unique. Number 10, digital decluttering services. Clutter doesn't just pile up in closets, it can build up on our devices too. If you're someone who loves keeping things tidy and organized, why not offer digital decluttering services? Many people are overwhelmed by their messy email inboxes, disorganized cloud storage, or social media accounts that need a little TLC. Think of it as being a digital Marie Kondo. You can offer services to organize and clean up digital spaces, helping clients streamline their digital lives. This can save them time, reduce stress, and even make their work more efficient. And they'll pay for the peace of mind you bring. Plus, with more and more people working from home and relying on digital tools, the demand for digital organization is only growing. It's a perfect way to make a difference while making some serious side income. Number 11, finding your passion through side hustles. What I love about side hustles is that they aren't just about the extra cash, though that's a huge perk. They're about exploring passions, discovering new talents, and creating a life that's more flexible and fulfilling. Maybe you'll find that you have a knack for teaching, a love for creating digital art, or a hidden talent for making people laugh through voice acting. Even if your side hustle doesn't turn into a full-time career, it's a way to keep learning and growing, and who knows, you might just stumble upon your next big passion. All right, my friends, those are some fresh and unique side hustle ideas that go beyond the usual. Whether you're looking for a little extra cash or hoping to build a new career, there's something here for everyone. So which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to level up your financial game. Remember, no matter where you start, the most important step is to just get started. You've got this. Stay motivated, keep hustling, and let's make those dreams a reality, one side gig at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.